In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language model for Leo AI in Brave browser. Choosing the right language model can make Leo feel faster, more precise, or more creative, depending on your task. In just a minute, I'll show you exactly where the control lives and how to pick the model that suits your needs. First, open your Brave browser. Give it a second to load completely so panels and extensions initialize. A reliable internet connection helps here, since the model list is fetched online. Now, open Leo AI. You can open it the same way you normally chat with Leo in Brave. Once the Leo panel is visible, look toward the top right corner and click the star icon. That star opens Leo's quick settings and preferences for the current chat, which is where model selection lives. Next, look just below the message text box. You should see a selector that currently says Automatic. Automatic lets Brave choose a model for you based on the type of prompt. Click the word Automatic to bring up the model controls. From here, click Show Models. This expands the full list of available language models for Leo. The list can change over time and may vary by region or plan, so what you see might not exactly match someone else's screen. If the list takes a moment to appear, that's normal. Brave is pulling in the latest options. Finally, choose your language model. Pick the one that best matches what you're doing right now. If you want quick, lightweight replies, choose a faster, smaller model. If you're drafting longer documents, analyzing complex text, or need higher reasoning quality, choose a more capable model. Some options can handle longer inputs, which is useful for large notes or multi-part prompts. After you click your choice, Leo will switch immediately, and your next message will use that model. If you're experimenting, don't hesitate to switch again. You won't break your chat history. And if you're ever unsure, you can always return to Automatic and let Leo decide for you. That's all there is to it. Open Brave, open Leo, click the star, tap Automatic, show models, and select the one you want. Your selection usually sticks for the current conversation, so you can set it once and focus on your work. Thanks for watching, and enjoy tailoring Leo to the way you think.